DirecTV Now extends free Apple TV 4K promotion with 3 months of prepaid service. Get both for as little as $105. If you haven't had a chance to take advantage of DirecTV's popular free Apple TV 4K promotion, now is the time to snap up a free 32GB model with 3 months of prepaid DirecTV Now service. With plans starting at $35 per month, you can be out the door for as little as $105 plus tax for both the Apple TV 4K and 3 months of programming. Considering the 32GB Apple TV 4K retails for $179 alone, this deal is $75 cheaper than paying retail, without even factoring in the included programming. Back in November, DirecTV required 4 months of service to secure the free 32GB Apple TV 4K, making this offer $35 cheaper than the holiday deal. The streaming platform provides users with a variety of popular cable channels, including properties owned by AMC, Discovery, Disney, Universal and Viacom, among others. In November 2017, AT&T struck a deal with CBS to carry streaming and on-demand content from CBS News, CBS Sports Network, The CW, Pop and Showtime. Along with the Apple TV, DirecTV Now supports a wide variety of internet-connected devices including Amazon Fire TV and Fire TV Stick, iPhone, iPad, Android hardware, Chromecast, and Google Cast-enabled eco-architects and Vizio SmartCast displays. Subscribers can also access programming through web browsers. Considering this is DirecTV Now's third extension of the deal, the offer has continued to prove popular among subscribers looking for the best deal on a streaming service with an Apple TV 4K to boot. AT&T's offer is available to new subscribers throughout May, while supplies last. AT&T Unlimited Plus wireless subscribers may also be eligible for a $20 credit on DirecTV Now service after the first 3 months. Apple Insider and Apple authorized resellers are also running a handful of additional exclusive promotions this month on Apple hardware that will not only deliver the lowest prices on many of the items, but also throw in discounts on Apple Care, software and accessories. These deals are as follows. Deal number 1, $350 $500 off iMac Pros plus no tax in 48 states. Deal number 2, $70 $170 off 2017 13-inch MacBook Pros with Touch Bar plus no tax in 48 states. Deal number 3, lowest prices ever on Closeouts Max plus no tax in 48 states. Deal number 4, $50 $100 off 2017 13-inch MacBook Pros with function keys plus no tax in 48 states. Deal number 5, free Apple TV 4K with 3 months of DirecTV Now. See if there is a Mac, iPad, Apple Watch or certified used iPhone deal that will save you $100s by checking out prices.appleinsider.com and deals.appleinsider.com.